Hey bro, a couple people on Instagram have been wondering what the shop we're working out of looks like. Do you mind giving us a quick tour?
Yeah, let's do it right now.
All right, cool. Oh, by the way, what do you have right there, man? What is that?
Oh, this is Peel Clear. I'll show you guys more about that later.
All right, cool. Let's take a look, bro.
All right, so this is our customer showroom. Over here, we have our coffee machine. So when you're hanging, waiting for your car, you can get a refreshment. Right here, we got our merch. So if you see people walking around at the meets wearing our stuff, this is where they get it. You want a hoodie, different t-shirts, hats, we got them here. And then over here, this is where all the magic happens. The 720S that's getting a full engine rebuild. We have it sitting on a custom built dolly. That way it can be moved around the shop at any time to be worked on. Over here we have a McLaren 570S that was in for a full rewrap. So this 911 came in with mold all over its drop top. We steam cleaned this, removed all the mold, got a full ceramic coating, cleaned up the BBSs. Now this car is fully protected.
Sick. And you guys got a spray booth back there. I see that. You guys spray cars here too, bro?
So we're actually doing Peel Clear. We got a full industrial paint booth. And
Peel Clear, hold on a second. What's Peel Clear?
So Peel Clear is this revolutionary new product that is basically sprayable PPF that essentially acts like paint. You can polish it.
All right, stop. I'm gonna stop you, bro. That's a lot of information. All right, just show me the booth, bro. What do you got over there?
Let's take a look. So we got the double hanger doors on this, so we can fit full-size trucks, any vehicle in here. Real paint booth. Completely clean ozone layer in there, so sucks all debris and dirt out. Environment's completely clean while we're taking care of the car.
All right, sweet, man. Well, thanks for showing us around, dude. Is there anything we should be looking forward to that you guys got coming up anytime soon?
Maybe some custom Sportiva colors coming from the Peel Clear. We don't know yet, but that'll be soon. We got some dealer cars. If anyone wants a Dodge Viper, we got that for sale.
Nice. So you guys sell cars too?
We also sell cars. If you're hunting for a car, you can't find it. We source cars all over the country. So give us a call if you need any car.
All right, Joe. Well, hey, man, thanks for showing us around, brother. I appreciate that.
Of course, anytime you guys want to stop by the shop, our showroom is always open.
For sure. All right, bro. Let's get to work.